there was no chance for the DPWH to doctor or to, to fix the file before they turned it over to you?
Yes, it was not naman planned to give this file until Secretary Vince called. And I am thankful that because of that, then we know there is this file. And when the DPWH may eventually release the file, then I can corroborate that that is the same file that I got.
Okay. So, sir, ito, dahil nga parang nasabi nyo nga na parang parami yung main characters dito sa flood control scandal na to, would you be able to tell us po kung sino yung pinaka makikinabang in case itong mga dokumentong ito ay hindi mailalahad sa publiko?
Well, basically kung sino ang may pinakamaraming insertion. At hindi naman po mga tao ang pinakamalaking proponent dito kasi may mga code names ginamit si Yusek Cabral katulad ng leadership. Meron din mga ibang code name like Senti 2025 of 100B of projects na I shared last time on your show. Also, may 20B doon na lahat na awards sa mga proyekto na may kaugnayan si Congressman Edwin Garjola. May iba-ibang mga lists that ended up going to certain big contractors, and I would then think it is best that DPWH be the one to explain all of the code names in Yusek Cabral's file.
May mga code names. Oo. So kung you mentioned also na parang mas maraming alam si Yusek Cabral kaysa kay Yusek Bernardo at kay former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. What made you give this statement po?
Actually, if I may cite, si Secretary Babe Singson ng ICI ay nagsabi din yan sa akin nung ako po ay bumisita sa ICI na niya kasi silang lahat at sinabi niya na si Yusek Cabral ay definitely mas maraming alam kaysa kay Yusek Bernardo at siguro mas marami ding alam kaysa kay Secretary Bonoan kasi siya yung talagang workhorse at tagagawa ng budget at baka may mga nagbibigay lang ng instruction sa kanya pero I think given how comprehensive are her files, pati yung mga handwritten notes, may column din dito on handwritten instructions na digitize nila. She's very methodical talaga in note-taking. And it is good that these files are still around because it's a wealth of information that can assist in the investigations. As ICI and Ombudsman also told me, napaka-useful ang mga files na ito.
Kong, do you mind sharing how big is this file? How many pages are we? I'm sure it's all digital, no? But if we're going to print it, if we're going to have a hard copy, the hard copy evidence, how many pages of this is this file that we're talking about?
Marami pong mga tabs, pero yung tab na tinitingnan ko na DBase, ang pangalan, ay mahigit 17,000 rows.
Wow! 17,000 rows. Okay.
That's one tab.
One tab lang.
Baka tens of thousands of rows ang buong file na ito. At parang 100 columns yung row na may 17,000 rows.
Okay.
Ang masasabi ko nga ay napaka-comprehensive ng mga file ni Yusek Cabral kaya imposible na may mag-fabricate ng ganitong daming mga file. Kasi i-check mo lang bawat proyekto sa DPWH budget, ano yung mga notes dito, tapos tumbok na yung mga notes ay tama. Kasi sa aking distrito, isa sa 253 distrito sa bansa, tumbok ang mga notes dito sa mga findings namin sa ground.